Hello everyone. I just wanted to post a quick video to explain how workshopping is going to function in this online version of English 1302. So at the beginning of the course, the first several weeks, we study literature. And to try to reproduce the kind of discussions that you can have in a face-to-face class, we do all of our work and all of your grades in that section come from the online discussions in the different literature forums. We'll have a different forum for fiction, for poetry, for drama. And that's where all your grades come from during that part of the class. Now, as we move into writing your big paper, we're going to separate the work into two different categories. You'll still be using discussion forums to talk to each other and to share ideas. But based on that discussion, you will also submit individual assignments through Blackboard. So for that discussion, we'll be using one forum all the way through to the end of the semester, and that is our workshop forum. It first appears as we start to really discuss your topic. So under week 7 here for the topic, you see the workshop forum first linked in. And then if I go back and go to week 8 and we're talking about proposals, you'll see it's there again. If I go to week 9, there it is again. And by the way, these week numbers may change depending on any given semester. Thesis development, there it is again, etc., etc. Now, I put that link to the same workshop in every week module that we're going to use it, but it's always also available here in the Resources tab, as are all of our discussions. So you can always access it that way as well. And so what you'll do in this workshop forum is you will create a thread for your text once you have selected which book or poem or short story or play that you're going to write about. You will create a thread with that work's title and author, and that's where you will put all of your workshop activities for your book. And you will also be going into other people's threads and commenting on their work and helping them develop their ideas for their paper. But that will be your workshop thread. And again, you link to it in a lot of different ways throughout the course, but it's always the same forum. So you can get there through any of these different links. So I just wanted to make sure that that was clear, how you get to the workshop forum and what we'll be using it for. Now, there are also assignments due as part of the project. For example, the proposal will be the first part of the project, and as you can see, there's a assignment module to upload your finished product after you've discussed it in workshop with your peers and with me. You finalize it and upload it here. And the same is true for all the other stages of the research project. There's your annotated bibliography, which is actually due the beginning of the next week. Give you an extra weekend on that one usually. And then that's the annotated bibliography. There is a thesis and outline due at the end of this week. And then after the thesis and outline is the big paper itself. Okay? And then there's revision opportunity after that on that paper. But that's how the work goes for the second half of this semester. Is we continue to do a lot of discussion together in the workshop forum, but then your actual assignments are due separately. So I hope that makes it clear about how we're going to function for the second half of the class. But as always, please never, never, ever hesitate to ask me questions if you are confused about any of the directions. Thanks very much, and we'll see you online.